Students, now let us see next topic, cyclic quadrilateral. This cyclic quadrilateral you had already studied in 7th standard. So let us revise the definition of cyclic quadrilateral. The definition of cyclic quadrilateral is, if all vertices of a quadrilateral lie on the same circle, then it is called a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, so observe this figure. In this figure, you can see one quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Each vertex of this quadrilateral, vertex A, vertex B, vertex C, and vertex D. All these four vertices lie on the same circle. So this quadrilateral is called as cyclic quadrilateral. So we have theorem related to this cyclic quadrilateral. Theorem of cyclic quadrilateral. The statement of the theorem is, opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. This is theorem of cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, now student, this theorem is given like an activity based in your textbook. Okay, so I want you everyone open the textbook and complete this activity along with me. Okay. Now to prove this theorem, we have to draw cyclic quadrilateral. So here one circle is drawn, and in that circle this quadrilateral is drawn, cyclic quadrilateral. So each vertex must be on the circle. So this figure is drawn. So let us complete this activity. First, given quadrilateral dash is cyclic. Now here figure, what is the name of this quadrilateral which is cyclic? Quadrilateral A, B, C, D. So here you have to complete the name, quadrilateral A, B, C, D is cyclic. Okay. Now to prove, what we have to prove? Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So you have to take the pair of opposite angles. First pair is angle B plus angle D. Angle B plus angle D. Angle B plus angle D. Supplementary. So the definition of supplementary angle is, if the sum of measure of two angles is 180 degree, then they are called as supplementary. So here angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Complete this. Okay. So first pair of opposite angle is angle B plus angle D. Now second pair, which is the second pair? Dash plus angle C. So which angle is opposite to angle C? Angle A. So here you have to write angle A. So angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So this way given and to prove. Okay. Now prove. First statement. Arc ABC is intersected by the inscribed angle, angle ABC. Now observe the figure. Arc ABC. This arc is intersected by angle ABC. Student, as you saw this figure, each vertex of the quadrilateral is on the circle. That means each angle of the quadrilateral is inscribed angle. So we can apply here inscribed angle theorem. Arc ABC is intercepted by angle ADC. So here we have to complete. Angle ADC is equal to, according to inscribed angle theorem, measure of inscribed angle is equal to half of measure of intersected arc. So angle ADC intersect arc ABC. Now see this arc ABC. So here we will write ADC is equal to half measure of arc ABC. Okay. Similarly, dash is an inscribed angle. Which pair we have to take? Angle B and angle D. So angle D we have taken here. Now next we inscribed angle is angle A B C. See, it intercepts arc ADC. Now see arc ADC, arc A D. So this arc ADC is intercepted by which angle? Angle A B C. So here we have to write angle A B C. Followed? So angle ABC intercept arc ADC. So according to inscribed angle theorem, here we have to write angle A B C is equal to half of measure of arc ADC. Angle ABC equal to half of measure of arc ADC. Give statement number 2. Okay. Now, here we have to add these two statements. Left hand side addition is measure of angle ADC plus measure of angle ABC. So here we have to write measure of angle ABC equal to right hand side addition half measure of arc ABC. Measure of arc ABC plus half measure of arc ADC. Reason from 1 and 2. Okay. Now left hand side we will keep as it is. We have to solve right hand side. Now here half is taken common. This half and this half is taken common. So here what to write? Measure of arc ABC. Plus measure of arc ADC. Now observe the figure. See, measure of arc ABC plus measure of arc ADC. If you add these both the arcs make one complete circle. Arc ABC and arc ADC constitute a complete circle, and therefore the measure of complete circle is 360 degree. So half into 360 degree. So half of 360 degree is 180 degree. So this way we proved angle ADC plus angle ABC. The sum of measure of these opposite angles is 180 degree using inscribed angle theorem. Similarly, we can prove for the second pair of opposite angle, angle A plus angle C is also supplementary, is equal to 180 degree. So this way you have to complete this theorem of cyclic quadrilateral. Maybe this theorem will come to complete like this activity for 3 marks, or the theorem will come to write only statement is given and given to prove figure and prove everything you have to do. Understood? So you have to complete this activity in your textbook. Also copy this in your notebook. Okay.